Perfect. Alright, Shakers, how's it going, my man? How's it going with that guy, you alright? Until midnight. Until midnight I'm going to be talking about... Alright, Lummy, you looking chill, says Rusty. Looking chilled, feeling pretty good. Wrote quite a bit today, so I'm feeling... Yeah. Cheers for putting the vids in bother. Hello everybody, welcome to the party, Cam. If you just joined us, this is my party cam until midnight, which is only 23 minutes away. We're going to be having a bit of a party. I'd like to welcome you to my webcam. Whether I was watching Russian Snog Marry and Avoid. Have you noticed? I don't know if they do it in the new series, but in all the series, Snog Marry and Avoid. What's her name? Is it Jenny Frost? Aye, I keep getting mixed up with Joe Frost. She never refers to the programme as Snog Marry Avoid. Have you noticed that? She never says welcome to Snog Marry Avoid. She never says that. You always notice that. Dave says bass players are the fucking cool ones in the band. Aye, they're the peacemakers, aren't they? I was the soul. I was the peacemaker. Bass players are shit. I know that, and I'm no musician. Get the bass player in Queen. You look like Freddy Krueger, don't you? Robert Englund. Deej says, let me do the legendary troll face. Why don't you go and fucking date yourself in the fucking mirror? Go away. Go away to some field with your mirror and your fucking shine the phone in your face and get there going. Yeah, don't want any fucking party. Snog Marry Avoid. Who's it on from today? Snog Marry Avoid never refers to itself as Snog Marry Avoid in the programme. Jenny Frost or Pod never says this is Snog Marry Avoid. I know why. Because they never knew they were going to call it that. I think they're going to call it Pod or something. When you want to suck it to it, relax. Oh, Pod. No, what are you doing to me? Oh, no. No. Oh, let me see. Let me see that cloth. Oh my god, there's more stuff on that. Your cloth looks like a... Your weight looks like a bog roll for somebody who's dying of diarrhea in a third world country. Oh, Pod, you're so cruel. Yeah. Oh god, I feel so naked. thumbs, point, middle, ring, pinky, ring, middle, index, thumbs, index, middle, ring, pinky, ring. Come on, man. All the lassies get to fuck, man. Come on, man. Just all the boys want. Lassies. Any lassies in this webcam, fuck off, man. Just the lads like that. Come on, man. All the boys want. We don't fucking need yous, man. Come on. We don't need the fucking butts. We've all got cocks. We've all got holes. Come on, man. At the end. Let's have it again. Let's have it again. Let's talk about something real important. Let's talk about my Facebook page and how I don't miss it. Full of fucking arseholes. Good riddance. Goodbye. Talked about it last time. Alright. 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 I've heard this before. Obviously I've heard Self-Control before, but I think it's RAF version I've heard it. Nothing better. It's the night. Laura Branigan. Signal to the original. Covered. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait a minute. This is the original. It was also covered by Laura Branigan. Wait, I need to fucking just double check this. Self-Control. Laura Branigan. Self-Control. Writer. Steve Pickett, what the fuck? RAF. Recorded that same year by English lyrics by Tim St. RAF, who co-wrote the song with. Right. Alright. It's Italian, yes. Good. Italian style. Laura Branigan died of the same thing as Gerard Kelly died. About a year or two apart. Age-wise. 51, 53 or something. Me down the front. Me down the front. Get the fucking. What was that, keytar? '13th note. Just a wee venue like that. 13's not like that. Do you ever hear some old songs and just wish, I wish I could fucking make that and bring that out now for the very first time and concept it like that. Oh my god, who is this guy? Who is this guy? And I'm just like, what's the big deal? I'm just bringing out just tunes that I like, and if anybody else likes it, well, it's a bonus. But inside, you know, it's fucking, I've been coming out with some fucking belters, man. Like, fucking that. And I come out from behind the machines like that. I take the beaches of the night. Da 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 da. Look at up there like that. Look at a guy there like that. Pure straight guy like that. And I'm like that, looking at him like that. Gay guy there, I'm like that. Straight lassie there, I'm like that. Lesbian there, I'm like that. Everybody! I'm there for everybody. Every type of person looks at me like that. I'm into that, and I'm like, music for everybody, man. Music for fucking... No Funk Devoid, I've not got a bass guitar. You know what I've got? You know what I've got? Correct me if I'm fucking wrong. I've got an... You'll know more about this than me, you better believe it. I've got a wee... this is what I've got. I've got this fucking thing here. This is what I've got. That's what I've got. I've got that right there. That's what I'm playing. An SH-101 with a wee fucking horn sticking it. Whoa. Oh, whoa. Tell me if this is a rip-off. I've played it before. Tell me if you think this is a rip-off. Tell me if you think this is a rip-off. Let's talk about something serious for a second. Would you make all that stuff that's going on earlier? Terrible, isn't it? You know what I'm doing right now? I'm just looking at my bookmarks toolbar thing in Firefox, and I've got some things on it that I don't really use. Thesaurus.com. Just delete that. How to convert videos and transfer them to the HTC Desire. Keep that. Extreme Music. Extreme Music's a fantastic. ExtremeMusic.com is a fantastic site to go to for your royalty-free music. Chrome crashed for me once, Funk Devoid, and that was it. I was finished with it. That was it. Shakers asked who killed Whitney Houston. You know who. I don't know how he did it, but he did it, and I don't know why. I don't know how he did it. I don't know why he did it, but he did it. Put this in the background. I'm definitely leaving at midnight. I'm no fucking up again. I need to get to my bed nowadays. What was I saying now? I was saying I was ready. Aye, Conrad, that's right. Conrad, what's his name? What's his name? Conrad, is it Conrad Murray? Conrad Murray, aye. You type in Conrad and Murray's the first one suggested to you, so he's obviously highly popular. I don't know why Conrad Murray killed Winty Houston, and I don't know how. Because it breaks, first of all, in the first instance there, it breaks his, what we call, his MO, his modus operandi, or operandi. He broke from his modus operandi. I tell you one thing, talking about modus operandi, if I had that fucking Michael Jackson conked out in a fucking bed next to me, I might be feeling a wee bit modus operandi and all. Tell you that for nothing. A dim line next to us like that. Touch him, see if you can do that. I'd be feeling a bit modus operandi as fuck. I know. Modus operandi bastard. In fact, I would just get up in court. I would go like that. Look, Your Honour, the fact is, I would represent myself like Tommy Sheridan, and would go like that. I'd sack my lawyer. I'm Conrad Murray, by the way, and I'd go like that. Look, Your Honour, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, ask yourself, put yourself in my place, with Michael Jackson next to me in bed, out for the count. You can't blame me, but you try putting yourself in that situation, and I'm sure that you too would feel a bit modus operandi yourself. You wouldn't even get to finish it. They would start laughing, right, you know, Randy. You wouldn't even get to say yourself. Nobody would hear that. You know the way nobody hears Louis Walsh when it's his bit to talk because everybody's too busy cheering. That's what it would be like. You would be feeling a bit modus operandi. Yourself. Let me finish yourself. Nothing gets you off the hook more than people finding you funny. Look at George W. Bush. Look at George W. Bush. Because he's a ridiculous person, people kind of go, guy's an idiot. The guy's an idiot. Oh, he's such an idiot. They call him an idiot first and then evil second. Hitler. evil, Stalin, evil. If you're funny first, you're let off the hook. That's what I'm trying to develop. For when all my crimes come into the fore. Well, I'm away in 3 minutes, folks, ladies and gents. I've really enjoyed having this chat. Right, let's get our music off. I'll play one more song. I'll play this. I don't even feel like playing it, but fuck it. I want to tell you a story, pitching it, while I've got this music on. I was in San Antonio. I told you once, San Antonio, I think it was Bar M, or it was the one next to it, and I went, where can I get Eckies? This is Ibiza. Where can I get Eckies? And a guy said, there'll be a guy under the tree, in the pub, there's a tree coming at the pub, with a pink top on. That's how you get your Eckies off. I went, cool, they're going, aye. Went round, like that, where the Euros, because it was back then. Second day fucking Paul's came out of nowhere like that, man, fucking grabbing cunts. I was like, Paul's grabbed my fucking wallet and everything. I was like, hey, and they're like, what? And I was like, hey, nothing. Had my passport hidden away. They got about €40 or something like that, but I got away with getting fucking done, and my heart was pounding like him in Midnight Express. I thought that's me fucked in a Spanish jail for the next 20 years, but of course I'm only kidding. That never happened. Well, that's midnight, ladies and gents, so call it a night there. Call it a night there. Call it a night there. Talk, we can work it out. Baby, talk, I know without a doubt. Baby, talk, we can work it out. Baby, talk, we can work it out. That's midnight, folks, I'll see you later, right? I know without a doubt. Baby, talk, we can work it out. Baby, talk. Else, baby, talk. Baby, talk. We can work it out. Baby, talk. Baby, talk. We can work it out. See you later, folks, by the way.